Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the sawhaorse and Newman projection of the ethane molecules and how the sawhaorse projection are converted to Newman projection. Let us look at the video in which the sidewise representation of ethane molecule are shown. If any sidewise representation of a molecule is shown by the paper or in 2D by pen, then it is called the sawhaorse representation. In case of ethane, which is shown in video, 2 black balls which is carbon and the 6 grey color ball which is hydrogen. Among these 6 hydrogen, 2 of the hydrogen is towards us and above the plane, and 2 of the hydrogen away from us or below the plane, and 2 of the hydrogen is top of the carbon. 2 hydrogen which is towards us is hydrogen number 2 and hydrogen number 6 which is shown in the figure, and the 2 hydrogen which is away from us is hydrogen 5 and hydrogen 3, and the 2 hydrogen which is top of the carbon is hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 4, and the carbon B which is front carbon and the carbon A which is back carbon. Carbon B is shown at the center of the sphere and the carbon A is represented by sphere, and the hydrogen 4, 5, 6 which is connected to B is connected at the center of the sphere, and the hydrogen 1, 2 and 3 connected to the carbon A is joined with sphere. Now how can we find Newman projection from sawhaorse projection? We can find Newman projection by rotating the sawhaorse projection from left to right. Now we are going to discuss about the sawhaorse and Newman projection of the staggered ethane. In staggered ethane, no any 2 hydrogen is aligned with each other. The hydrogen 3 and 5 is towards us, and the hydrogen 2 and the 6 is away from us. And the hydrogen 1 is above the top of the carbon and the hydrogen 4 is bottom of the carbon. How can we found the Newman projection from sawhaorse projection? By rotating the sawhaorse projection from left to right. By rotating the sawhaorse projection from left to right, we can find the frontal view of the ethane, in which the front carbon is placed at the center of the sphere, and the 3 hydrogen which is connected to the front carbon atom, that is 1, 2 and 3 hydrogen atom connected to the center of the sphere, and the back carbon atom which is represented as the sphere, and the corresponding hydrogen is connected to this sphere. And you can see the 3D model of ethane. Now we will discuss how to convert eclipse structure of the ethane to the fissure structure of the ethane. First of all, we have to convert the eclipse structure of the ethane to inverted eclipse structure of the ethane. In order to find out the inverted eclipse structure of the ethane, we have to rotate the hydrogen and the carbon bonds around the carbon-carbon bond by 180 degree. After that, we will stretch out all the carbon and hydrogen bonds towards its corresponding direction. We will stretch out the hydrogen 5 and 3 towards the right and the hydrogen 6 and 4 towards the left, and we will get the fissure projection as shown in the video.